In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create leads inside of Odoo. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Odoo like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go into CRM. Then from here, you should be looking something like this. Then you need to generate leads up here in the left-hand corner. And then it should be looking something like this. From here, you need to add in how many leads you will like. You can change it here. As of right now, I'll just set it to 3. You can also change the companies to either companies or companies and their contacts. You can change the country. It will automatically be your country that you have originally created your account from. You can also create the states or pick a state if you want to do that. You can add in an industry which is mandatory. And you can add a filter on it so you can filter to size. As you can see here, you can add in from to employees. Then from here, you can add in a sales team if you want to do that. You can either select the sales, which is automatically generated for you, or you can search for more over here. Then you can also add in a salesperson, and this will automatically be you or the one who has created the contact. Then from here, you can also add tags if you want to do that. And if you click this button down here, menu, you can find all of your tags and click on the one that fits your lead. Then from here, you need to create leads. And as you can see here, now it has created 3 different leads. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!